Sam, you let me be, and I don't try it anymore.
Would you try it with a mouse? Would you try it in a house?
I don't want it, Sam.
Oh.
Sam.
Try it and you'll see that I'll let you be.
No.
Would you like it on a boat? Would you like it with a goat? Try it, Sam, and I'll let you be. Come on.
You gotta try it, or we're all done. Go, Sam. I am.
Okay, we're not gonna play anymore then.
Huh?
Just have to eat your dinner.